Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today we're going to be reviewing the Sakura Matou Wig from Magic ACGN on Amazon. So the wig comes in a plastic bag with a cardboard loop in the center of it to keep it from getting squished, which was nice because it was shipped in a padded envelope. Then over here we have the wig itself. It is wrapped up in a wig net, and the inside is stuffed with tissue paper to help it keep its shape. And it did come with a wig cap and some bobby pins tucked in as well, which I thought was a very nice touch. One thing I will say is that the listing has changed, so now it's an Amazon Prime option. However, before, when I had ordered this, it wasn't, and it did take a while to ship. But they do get bonus points because Amazon accidentally sent it to my old address by default instead of my new address, and the seller was very quick to fix it and send it to the right place. So they do get extra bonus points for being so prompt and taking care of that, which was really nice. Inside the wig, it does not have any clips sewn in. However, it does have the elastic adjustable straps on either side of the bottom. And one thing you may have noticed when I was going through all the pieces that came with it, it does not come with the red hair bow, even though it is pictured on the product photo in the Amazon listing. Here's what the wig looks like. I should point out that this isn't directly out of the package because I did wear it. The only styling change I made to it is I did shorten the bangs a little bit because they were in my eyes, but that's fairly common for wigs. And it is already styled for Sakura. It's got the hair pulled back to the side and tied into a rubber band there. There is a little bit of a gap behind it, and the fibers aren't super thickly wefted, but that's fairly common for a wig of this price point. The fibers are quite soft, and it's all one uniform color for the fiber, though it's showing up a little bit more purple, or excuse me, a little more blue on screen, and it's a bit more purple in person, but I think it's a great color for Sakura, and I really like this wig. I purchased it using my own money. This isn't sponsored, however, I do have an affiliate link in the description box below if you want to check out this specific wig, and I will insert a couple pictures of what it looks like when worn.